Hey guys, Halo here, and today is a special day for Halo. Today is the release date or day of the Battle of Shadow and Light update, where they add Big Team Battle slash Slayer, I still call it that, and they add a lot of few, 48 new REQs, 2 specialty armors, they're I think it's 2 new legendaries, including this one on screen right now. I forget what it's called. Um, and then other ones, and then some vehicle variants and legendary weapon variants, like the light rifle, and I think the binary rifle gets a new variant. So for that, I have bought I got some gold packs. I got 8 here and a silver, and then I saved my Warzone premiums from Monday and supply pack from making a Spartan company, because I got more than 4 people into a company, and a promotional rec pack for this update. So I'm gonna open this promotional one first, see what I get. What I get? Oh, nice, pretty cool. I think I have a rare version of that helmet. That's pretty cool. I like that. Arena boost, weapons, nice. Alright, here's my Spartan company. 170, do me good. And you guys screwed me over. Recruit, helmet, not bad. Mission victory, pretty cool. Random weapon, I got that, that's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna do silvers. Hopefully get noble. Ooh, Forcer. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Nice. Ghost Ultra. Call that the Super Ghost. It's a inside joke. Yeah, but that's pretty cool. Let's open the war zones now. Ooh, binary certification. Nice. Ooh, and an assault rifle with the energy bayonet. And long shot scope. I don't know if I'm gonna use that. Dude, binaries though. Nice. Now that I have a certification for them, I can pretty much just sell them and then earn some rec points there, because as you can see, I'm pretty broke here. I was broke before this opening, just to let you know. Ooh, I got some legendary. Typhon certification. This is the Hydra certification. Improved Hydra launcher with upgraded reticle. Excuse me. And warhead damage and reload speed. So it reloads faster and has more damage. Got a Gauss Hug certification. Nice. Operator. Remember that from Halo 4. I have that. Oh, is this a new Urban Warthog? No. Tundra was the new one. AI kills. I had this one before. Why? But now that we're in the gold packs, what I am looking for here for my person here, because I'm making a Spartan character here, I'm writing a story for her. Gotta make a guy Spartan soon. Just have to come up with a good story. Where is that helmet though? I need this helmet. The Argus helmet. Either one of these I need. Because my Spartan here is a sniper. And what's the best sniper? Because Scout kind of looks ass on my Spartan. That's right, the Argus. The Argus armor looks pretty cool. The helmet looks cool. I don't know if there's an armor for it, so I don't know why I said that. So, let's start with this one. Ooh, Lemon Head. Ooh, Gunganier. I remember this helmet. Bot actually wore this helmet for a while. I think that was his helmet. Gambit medal count. Okay, let's open this one. Ooh, Mantis certification. Oh, only if that was the new Tundra. Oh, that's another thing they added. Green Machine. It's a new camo. Interceptor, I already have that. Well, I have the normal interceptor. Thingy bobbers. We got some damage boosts. Nice arena bonus. I play a lot of arena now. Not a big Warzone person anymore. Jumpmaster. Security. Oh, nice. That would go good with my security helmet. The Whiplash. Mantis. Arena XP boost. Nice. Got 5 left. Ooh, Buccaneer. Ooh, Buccaneer Doomsday. Oh, I think this is what Bot has. I know me and Bot are wearing the same helmet but different variants of it. Yeah. Ooh, rare random vehicle. Okay, we got 4 left. Hopefully I can get something new in this update. From this update. Or that Argus. Really want that Argus. Recon, Enforcer. Oh, an Oni Warthog. Nice. I have a certification for that. Ooh, that's nice. Warzone RP boost. Ultra rare. Nice. 3 left. The final 3. Come on, Argus or new update stuff. Longshot BR. Interceptor Cutter. Corp Warthog. Or Corp Warthog. Yes, that's a Warthog. Scorpions are now called Warthogs. Alright, 2 left. Freebooter. Commando. Another Oni Warthog, not bad. Mission Victory. And that's for Warzone. Nice. Wish that was Arena, cause I would have a better chance in Arena. Freebooter helmet looks cool. Oh god, here we go. The final REQ pack of this episode. I know it was short, but probably from selling all this stuff, I'll probably have enough to sell some stuff because I pretty much sell everything, like Warzone related. But I may keep some stuff like the binary rifles and certain things. But please, 343. Please, I need that new samurai armor or the Argus helmet. Just please, please, in the name of Halo. Please, can I have it? Please. Alright, here we go. Why? Well, I got the commando helmet that could go with my armor. Why? Got a random vehicle. Oh, I got a jackpot. Nice. Well, I mean, hey, I got a lot of weapon skins that I'm gonna be selling. Got some good stuff. Gauss Hogs, those are pretty good. I need to probably get more in those random vehicles. But, yeah. Let's see what we got here. Power weapons. I can't see this because it snapped screen. So we got 8 binaries, 1 bolt shot, 1 energy sword, 2 riveting sliver, 3 fuel rods, 4 hydras, 5 typhon, 1 light rifle, 4 needlers, or 4 hailstorms, 5 Talon of the Lost, 3 casters, 4 surge of the fire, 1 plasma pistol, 2 spitfire, 1 railgun, 6 whiplash is 2 random weapons common, 3 uncommon, 5 rare, 3 scatter shots, 2 shotguns, 5 lawgivers, those are actually good, 6 snipers, that's good because I need to actually work on that. That's another thing I need, Warfang, or Nornfang, yes, Warfang. And that's it for weapons, vehicles. 5 Gauss Hogs, 5 Ghosts, these can go, these can get out of here. should actually sell this on screen now so I can actually get stuff. Alright, Gun Goose I don't really use anymore. So I just can get out of here. Plus it's like Oni, then I'll use it. Let's see. Get rid of these. Okay. Keep those scorpions. I'm gonna get rid of these. I'll just use the Oni Warthogs. That sucks, I didn't get anything in the new update. Oh well. Corp, where's the Tundra stuff? That's Urban Corp. Huh, I don't know. Alright, that's for all the stuff I'll sell here. Okay. Get rid of this active camo. I think I got a certification for that. I didn't notice. Active camo too. Damage boosts. Overshields. Not bad. Alright, let's go back to weapons. Let's get rid of these swords. No more gun that bounces. Get rid of these hydras. Even the... I'll keep like 2 of these. I'm not gonna have enough to do another one. Oh wait, oh I didn't want to sell the Hailstorms. Hailstorms are good. No casters, no thank you. Okay, I know the Whiplash is good, but I just need the points. Keep 3. Don't need these. Need these. And scatter shots are good. Shotguns don't need. Yeah, I don't really need these. I have a scatter shot, so I'm good. And the snippers I'll keep. Okay, so this is pretty much everything I have. I could sell some binaries. I'll sell 4. See where it gets me. Alright, 7,000. Probably next game I play I'll probably get something. Alright. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was pretty fun. I like these. Oh, you know what? I didn't get to my armor yet. Customize armor. Okay, so Commando, not bad. Too bulky. Goblin, it looks okay. Probably use that for another Spartan if I make another character. Interceptor, I didn't know the Interceptor, what it looks like and stuff. That's pretty cool. Alright, I like that better than my Interceptor that I have. Enforcer. Not bad. Security. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Oh man. They didn't keep the shoulders. That would have been awesome if they kept the Halo 3 shoulders. So I have those in Halo 3. Buccaneer. I think I had the Buccaneer already on, but this variant's pretty cool. Jump Master. Excuse me. Not bad. Interceptor again. Not bad. Athlon. Okay, this is where it started. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, helmet. Oh, that's another thing. I didn't get the new assassination or any new stances. Oh, that sucks. Let's see. It started with... I already had that one. I already had this one. Started with this one. That's not a bad helmet. Not gonna use it, but not bad. Not bad. good. I like that one. That's pretty cool. Operator. It's a nice helmet. I used to wear this. Another recruit. Eh. Yeah, this is the one that Bot has. The Doomsday, because it kind of looks like a gas mask at the bottom. It's pretty cool. Recon. Eh. Doesn't look so good. Freebooter. Not bad. I like this. And Commando. Not good. Or not good. Not bad. No new visors. That's already got this already. I said already twice. Why? Why not? Because already. Let's see. Emblem. I got Lemonhead. And I got this. Oh god. Why? Why? But yeah, I used to be in a non-roleplay Project Freelancer clan, and their emblem was that Triforce looking logo on Reach, and they have it in this, but this is pretty much the closest thing that I can get to. Oh god, why? Why? Brings back some memories. Somewhat good memories, but kind of bad memories too. Let's see. Nothing new. Spin cycle, default, liftoff, meat hook. This one's the best, over the top. The new one and over the top are the best. Alright, no new weapon skins. No. That's another thing, DMR. Need a DMR for Warzone. I think that is it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. This was good. I like this. It's pretty good. If you guys want more of this, then normal stuff like sub, all that stuff. And see you guys later.